पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. Today we'll discuss about China constructing bridge on Pangong Lake in Ladakh. China is constructing a bridge in eastern Ladakh connecting the north and south of banks of Pangong Tso Lake. About the bridge. On the north bank there is a PLA garrison at Kurnak Fort, and on the south bank at Moldo, and the distance between the two is 200 kilometers. The new bridge between the closest points on the two banks, which is around 500 meters, will bring down the movement time between the two sectors from around 12 hours to just 3 to 4 hours. This will significantly bring down the time for the People's Liberation Army to move troops and equipment between the two sectors. The bridge is located around 25 kilometers ahead of the line of actual control. About Pangong Tso. Pangong Tso literally translates into a concave lake. Pangong means conclave in Ladakhi and Tso means lake in Tibetan language. Situated at over 14,000 feet, the lake is about 135 kilometers long. It is formed from Tethys geosyncline, the Karakoram mountain range which crosses Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, China and India with heights of over 6,000 meters including K2, and the world's second highest peak, ends at the north bank of Pangong Tso. Its southern bank too has high broken mountains sloping towards Spangur Lake in the south. The lake's water, while crystal clear, is brackish, making it undrinkable. Why there is a dispute here? The line of actual control, LAC, the line that separates Indian and Chinese troops since 1962, generally runs along the land except for the width of Pangong Tso. Here it runs through water. Both sides have marked their areas announcing which side belongs to which country. India controls about 45 kilometer stretch of the Pangong Tso and China the rest. What are fingers? The lake has mountain spurs of the Changchemo range jutting down, referred to as fingers. There are 8 of them in contention here. India and China have different understanding of where the LAC passes through. India has maintained that the LAC passes through finger 8, which has been the site of the final military post of China. India has been patrolling the area, mostly on foot because of the nature of the terrain, up to finger 8. But Indian forces have not had active control beyond finger 4. China, on the other hand, says the LAC passes through finger 2. It has been patrolling up to finger 4 mostly in light vehicles and at times up to finger 2. Why does China want to encroach areas alongside Pangong Tso? Pangong Tso is strategically crucial as it is very close to Chushul Valley, which was one of the battlefronts between India and China during the 1962 war. China appears to keep India constricted in the region by taking strategic advantage of looking over the Chushul Valley, which it can do if it advances along Pangong Tso. China also does not want India to boost its infrastructure anywhere near the LAC. China fears it threatens its occupation of Aksai Chin and Lhasa Kashgar highway. Any threat to this highway also puts Chinese rather imperialist plans in Pakistan-occupied territories in Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir and beyond in Pakistan. That's all on this topic for today. Stay tuned for regular updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की.